is Librarian Maggie here with a fun spring craft for you. We are going to make a cute little Easter bunny using a foam die. You can get these at craft stores, I think. I grabbed this at Dollar Tree. This has the dry erase on it, which we won't be needing, but there's this kind and the regular dice that have the numbers, but I couldn't find those. So either is fine. We're going to be covering it up so it doesn't matter too much what color it is. Maybe just try to choose a lighter color, like I grabbed the yellow. You're going to need a white balloon, unless you would like your bunny to be another color, like brown or black or pink, anything you want, but this is going to be the color of your bunny. And then you're also going to want to match your felt to it because we're going to need felt for the ears. And I'm using pink for the inner part of the ear. A pom-pom or a cotton, whatever you have. Some cute ribbon to decorate it. Markers. If you do not have a cutting machine that you could just cut a decal for the face, I'm going to use markers today. And 2 toothpicks. These are going to help with the ears. And a glue gun. So maybe plug your glue gun in now, and we will start on our bunny here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to cut the end piece off of your balloon so we can actually get it over the dice. Okay. And now we're just gonna stretch it over it. This is the hardest part. So once you've made it through this part, you are good to go. Okay, and it's okay if part of it's showing because we are gluing our tail on, so that is perfect. So now that we've got it stretched around our whole die, if you can't find balloons, by the way, or don't want to do it this way, you can paint it. You can just paint it, but this is a really quick, mess-free way to do it, and it'll be easy to draw our face on as well. So your glue gun should be nice and hot by now, and we're just gonna glue our little tail on. And cover up our opening there. Okay. And now we're going to cut out our ears. I'm just going to cut down this piece so it's a little easier to work with. Okay. And you're just going to cut out 2 little bunny ears. If you want to draw them out first, that's fine too. Okay, let's see if that's a good size. Yeah, that's a pretty good size. Or we might want to make it a little bit larger. I'm going to use this as my template though. Cut out slightly larger ones. And of course you're going to want to cut out two. Okay, let's see. So yeah, that's a little bit better. So I'm going to cut out one more. Okay, so there are two ears, really cute. And now we are going to cut out our the pink part for the middle of the ears. So again, I'm just going to cut my fabric down a little so it's easier for me to work with, cutting big pieces. And we definitely want it smaller. So I'm actually going to start with this smaller template I made and just go a little smaller than that. So I'm going to cut this out first. If you're more comfortable starting with some kind of template, there are definitely templates out there. If you just do a Google search, you will find some that you can just size properly and print off, and that'll be helpful. Okay, so there's the pink for the middle of our bunny ears. I'm just going to cut one more. Okay, and now our ears are ready to go. So you're gonna take your white and your pink felt and our toothpicks. These we're gonna use in between the two to help the ears stick up a little bit. So I'm just gonna put glue right on my toothpick. And on my pink felt. Be careful with your fingers because it's very hot. saying it mainly to remind myself. And I did leave a little sticking out at the bottom. That's gonna help me glue it to our bunny here. And now I'm gonna do the same with this one. Alright, so our bunny ears are ready to go. Now we can glue them up top here. Just gonna go right on the back. So I'm gonna put glue just on the bottom of my ear here and on a toothpick. Make sure it sticks really well. Okay, and now same with my other one. So we've got our ears, our tail, and now we are ready to do our face. So you can use markers or stickers. Like I said, either works. And I'm actually going to cut a little felt pink nose out of my leftover pieces. Just gonna round off the sides of the nose here a little. Okay, and we'll just see if that's a good size. Perfect, so I'm gonna glue my little bunny nose on. If you don't wanna do it this way, you can just use your markers. And just glue that right in the middle. And now I'm going to take my black Sharpie and I'm going to draw the rest of my face on. All right, and now, give him a little pink tongue too with my pink marker here. All right, our bunny is almost ready to go. You can actually stop here if you want, or we can add a little bow to it. Can do a bow or a bow tie. And I'm just gonna fold my bow over like so. So just fold it over twice, and I'm going to put it right by the ears. And you're going to just take your piece of ribbon and just glue it to the back here so we can just wrap it around and finish off our bow. You can use twine for this if you want, or a different kind of ribbon, however you want to decorate it. You can put a bow, you don't have to put a bow. And I'm just going to cut this off. And I'll just glue it to the back here. And now I'm going to put glue on my ears to make sure I put it in the right place to hold the bow. And there you have it. So you've got a cute little bunny. You can add a little flower or anything you want to it to finish decorating it. So I hope you have enjoyed another fun, easy craft, and I will see you all in our next video.